start. Like the same video as before, but it's really not. This is just a I'm gonna answer a few questions that y'all been asking me. I'm trying to record as much as I can because like I said, I'm not gonna have the car for a week, so it's like, what am I gonna record? But I'm gonna answer a few questions that y'all been asking me. Some of y'all I've been getting back to, some of y'all I haven't been able to get back to. It's not a lot of questions, but just the basic question. Who did the cats on my car? I don't know if he really back doing work because like I said, he had some personal things going on. He did mine at the time he did. I don't know if he's still currently doing them. So y'all can go and check out my last video. I'm gonna drop that link down below in the description because I don't really want to put his name out there and then have everybody hitting him up in his DM and then, you know, he like, hey, or whatever. I'm not sure if he's doing them, but y'all can check out the video. He breaks down and explains how to do it yourself. I'm gonna put that up on the screen. Also, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description so y'all can go check it out yourself. So what's some more miles that's on the way? Front splitter. Somebody done sent me a couple of links, but listen, I'm not trying to pay no $500 for no front splitter. I ain't gonna say I'm cheap, but I am cheap. I love saving $1. If I can get it for cheaper, then that's what I'm about. Next mods, well, next things that I plan on adding to the car: front splitter. Y'all know I said this before in the video. Whenever I get my wrap, then that's when I'm gonna put my YouTube banner on. My other decals, my tire letters, all that other stuff coming on after the wrap. I need to get a full look at the wrap so I can see which colors is standing out the most and which colors is not. Because I don't want to do some accents or colors that's too much on the wrap. Like I said, the wrap has a lot of colors and it stands out bright. If y'all really paid attention to the video, you can see the wrap from far back as I'm walking up. So make sure y'all go back and check that video out if you haven't already. The wrap is based off lime green, so that's why I said I'm not changing my name from slime. It's a lot of lime green in there and it's a lot of other colors. Merch, y'all keep asking me about merch. Okay, I made a couple of things and I got a website, so once I get my stuff in and I can make sure that the shirts are good quality, then I'm gonna start putting the link down below in my description and let y'all know where y'all can order from. Another question y'all been asking me: what's the process on slime? Listen, y'all gotta follow TK's Garage channel so y'all can keep up with the process. I'm not giving out no free content. Y'all head over to his channel and check out his videos. He just had an update a couple videos ago. He uploaded a lot, so y'all gotta keep up. And do I plan on, you know, doing any upgrades up under the hood? I do, but not right now. I always focus on looks first because that's what I go for. I go for a good looking car and sounding good car. Later on down the road, I might add some long tube headers and upgrade the exhaust or whatever. Oh, I do need to add a cold air intake. I might get that soon. Who is that pulling up? It's like soon as I get a spot and I start recording by myself, somebody want to pull up. Y'all see them on camera, so they try to snatch me. I got them. But anyway, I do plan on buying a cold air intake. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section which brand I should go with. And every time I think about oil, I know I got to get my oil catch can. But it's like it'll slip my mind and I be forgetting to order. So y'all send me some links down below for a good oil catch can, or just send it to my DMs. Like I said, my Instagram is right there on the screen. My Instagram is the same thing as my YouTube. I think I really touched bases on most of the questions that I've been getting. If there's anything else you want to ask me, like I always say, ask down below in the comment section. Ask me on Instagram. If it's not nothing stupid or just don't make sense, I usually respond back. Listen, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure y'all got that bell on. Turn on all post notifications, please, because there's a lot of people that's not getting my notifications whenever I upload a video. And I don't know what's up with YouTube. It's like YouTube, you know, don't want us to get out there. They want us to bring out more content, more and more content, but they ain't pushing out our notification bell. So like, ain't nobody seeing our stuff. So make sure y'all go to my page and y'all turn on that bell so y'all can get all notifications. Like I said, I usually upload every Monday and Friday. If I miss a Monday, then you know you're gonna definitely get that Friday. Or if I miss that Friday, you already got that video on a Monday. Mondays and Fridays is the days I usually upload, 6:30 or sometimes at 9 o'clock. So also make sure y'all subscribe. You can't get notifications unless you subscribe to my channel. It is free to hit that subscribe button. There is no fee. It's free to support. Somebody asked me, how do I really feel about the pedal box? The pros of it is very aggressive. It's very aggressive. I love that you can adjust the settings yourself to high, low, or whatever. But the cons is Bluetooth. Sometimes the Bluetooth may drop out, and then that means the pedal box, it kicks off. Sometimes it'll go in and out. Whenever you first crank your car, for me, the pedal box doesn't automatically start. It's like it don't kick in until you like maybe give the car a little gas. Now with the older pedal box, no matter what, as soon as you crank the car up, it's on. You don't have to do nothing. I love that about it. I might be going back to the old pedal box, but I mean, this one has its pros and cons. The other one, I ain't have no cons about it. Everything was a pro to me. But the only thing about this is more aggressive, and I love the aggressiveness of it. Sometimes, I don't know if it's just me, so if you do have this pedal box, let me know. Like sometimes whenever the pedal box is off, it feels like it's limiting my throttle. It's like when it's off, it feels like it's not really off. It feels like it's only letting me get so much response out of my pedal. Versus whenever I take the pedal box completely off, they just shut the lights off out here. I guess that means I gotta go home. But anyway, versus whenever I shut the pedal box completely off, it's like I got a whole bunch more throttle response. So that's really all the questions I got. They done shut the lights off. They just, I don't know. But like I said, like this video, drop a green emoji or purple emoji. Okay, now the camera is picking up the color just because I'm on my iPhone camera. Listen, if you're thinking about doing YouTube, stop trying to figure out a fancy camera to buy. Use your iPhone. Most of my videos I've been recording lately, I've been using my iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Max Pro. I'm recording in 1080, 60 frames, and it picked up the color very well. I might get the grill lights, and I might not. I'm not going to get the headlights because I really don't want nobody going in messing with my headlight. Other than that, you know, my interior lights, I'm going to add some in there. But other than that, that'll be it. I don't know if I plan on adding wheel lights to this. But yeah, hopefully y'all like it. And I'm ready to see how these different colors gonna, you know, hit with the wrap. I'm so excited. Let me head to work, y'all.